So you're building a smart home and want that clean, futuristic wall panel that controls everything. Lights, music, locks, and even your coffee machine? Well, we've rounded up the best smart home control panels this year. Let's dive in. If you want that one panel to rule them all, the brilliant smart home control panel is still a top pick in 2025. The second-gen version is faster, smoother, and now supports Matter, which means it plays nice with just about everything. You get a beautiful touchscreen, gesture controls, and built-in Alexa. Plus, it works with Ring, Sonos, Hue, SmartThings, the whole crew. You can also use it as a video intercom between rooms, which is super handy in bigger homes. It replaces a light switch and looks sleek on your wall. Whether you want to dim the lights, check your security cam, or blast your playlist, it's all just a tap away. It's not the cheapest panel, but for all-in-one control, it's hard to beat. Amazon made an official smart home control panel, and they nailed it. The Echo Hub gives you an 8-inch touchscreen that acts like a dashboard for your Alexa smart home. Think of it as a tablet that's mounted and always ready. It works with Zigbee, Matter, Thread, and of course, Alexa routines. The interface is widget-based, so you can customize it with your most used devices: lights, cameras, locks, or even calendar widgets. And the price? Surprisingly affordable. It's perfect for hallway setups or entryways where you want quick access to your home controls. Voice control is seamless, and it also ties in with Ring for live camera feeds. For Alexa users, this is probably the most natural way to unify your smart home. Looking for a smart display focused purely on home security? The eufy Smart Display E10 might be your new best friend if you're already using eufy cameras, doorbells, or locks. It's got an 8-inch HD screen that shows up to 4 live camera feeds at once, and it responds instantly when motion's detected or someone rings your eufy doorbell. What makes it special? No lag, no app hopping, just fast local playback, facial recognition alerts with Homebase S380, and daily AI-powered summaries like who came and went. It even works unplugged thanks to a 24-hour built-in battery. Now heads up, it only works with eufy gear, so if your setup includes other brands, this won't play nice. But if you're all in on eufy and want a dedicated security dashboard, no subscription required, it's a great pick at $199. Let's talk about the Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen. This little 7-inch screen does way more than you expect. First off, it's perfect for controlling all your smart devices with just your voice or a few taps. Lights, cameras, thermostats, you name it. But here's the cool part. It also works as your personal assistant. Set reminders, check the weather, follow step-by-step recipes, and even play YouTube videos while you cook. And thanks to sleep sensing, it can actually track your sleep without needing to wear anything. The sound quality? Surprisingly good for its size, making it great for music or podcasts around the house. Plus, it blends into any room without looking too techy. If you want a smart display that keeps your life organized, your home connected, and even helps you sleep better, the Google Nest Hub 2 is definitely worth a look. Now, here's a sleeper hit for 2025, the SwitchBot Hub 3 Panel Edition. It's super compact, but don't let that fool you. This little guy comes with a bright 4-inch touchscreen that lets you control SwitchBot devices, IR remotes, and even Matter-compatible gadgets. It supports Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri shortcuts, so you're covered no matter your platform. You can create scenes, check the weather, or set up schedules right from the screen. It's especially great if you're using SwitchBot curtains, door locks, or their new robot vacuum. Oh, and it still has IR control, meaning you can finally modernize your old-school AC or TV without ditching the remote. For the price, it's one of the best entry-level smart control hubs around. Clean UI, solid integrations, and budget-friendly? Yes, please. Okay, so Apple hasn't released a dedicated control panel yet, but with iOS 18, your iPad basically becomes one. Mount it on a wall with a magnetic stand, pair it with a HomePod, and boom, you've got yourself a full-blown Apple Smart Home Command Center. The new Home app is fast, smooth, and shows you everything from lights, locks, cameras, and sensors. You can run automations, trigger scenes, and even get notifications when something's up. It also supports Matter and Thread, which is a huge win for Apple users. The iPad option is more flexible too. When you're not using it as a panel, it's still an iPad. Perfect for kitchens, entryways, or living rooms. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, this setup is as smart and stylish as it gets. Last on our list, and definitely not least, is the Orbivo MixPad M5. It's more than just a light switch. This sleek wall-mounted panel combines a smart hub, touch display, voice assistant, and even a speaker all in one. With Matter and Zigbee 3.0 built in, it can control hundreds of smart devices, lights, curtains, thermostats, you name it. Plus, it supports Alexa voice control and works with Google Home and Apple Home via Matter. The touchscreen lets you easily adjust lighting scenes, check the weather, or even play music. It's ideal if you want a clean, centralized way to manage your smart home. No need to juggle apps or remotes. Just one panel, full control. At around $349, it's not cheap, but for the tech and convenience it packs in, it's a solid investment. Just make sure it's compatible with your region's voltage and installation setup. All right, that wraps up our list of the best smart home control panels of 2025. Whether you're building a luxury system or just starting with the smart bulb and a speaker, there's a panel out there for you. Which one would you put on your wall? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more. Catch you in the next one.